Now I'm currently at the Dodge dealership, and the entire front row, let me turn here, is all Jeeps. So I wanted to see if they had any of the new Dodge Chargers, and there is one in on the showroom. Let's go check it out. So this is the entry level, kind of standard.
Yeah,
okay.
It's the standard one right here. This would be the RT Stage 1. And yeah, feel free to open it all up.
Okay, thank you. Look at this hood, you guys. Almost looks like the rear spoiler. So I'm told that they have a Scat pack in the back, but it's not ready yet. Trying to be quiet, there's people in here. Oh, thank you. Let's check out the inside. So you just open it up and it starts this synthetic rumbling back here. This car is just massive, you guys. It does not, filming this does not do it justice. This car is huge. I mean, the door on this thing is massive. Look at this. Very nice interior. Flat bottom steering wheel. Pretty cool tech, you guys. I mean, this should have been the tech in the old Scat pack. They would have just kept the Hemi and upgraded the interior like this. These things would be flying off the shelf. Tell me what you guys think of this.
See, this one doesn't have the front. Some are going to have it though. The Scat pack will have that front right there.
Gotcha. So this is just all what?
That would be like
Battery and okay. Seems like they could have used that space. Where's the Hemi? But it's got a lot of storage in the back, huh?
Oh yeah, it's a hatchback, so that has a huge trunk.
Oh gosh, yeah. Jeez, it's big.
Yeah.
Wow. And those fold down for more. 2025, 57,995. Stage 1. So this has got 400 plus HPs, and they want 62,685. I don't know, you guys. Soft touch there. Okay, so he said he sold 2 this week. He said they're leasing really well. Lease rates, I guess, are good. I don't know if that's flying off the shelves or not, but he's gonna go in the back and see if I can take a look at the Scat pack. If not, I wanna hear your thoughts on that particular RT Stage 1. My opinions are not changed. What I told the sales guy was, why couldn't they have taken that interior and just kept the Hemi? It's a really nice upgraded interior. The tech looks nice, but I don't know. I don't know. I think if I was looking for a EV vehicle in the 62,000 price range, I don't even know if that would make my list. All right, so this is the Scat pack Stage 2.
Yeah, they didn't start detailing it yet. But...
Haven't detailed it. So it's got the red SRT. It's got the frunk. You know, it's like a grocery basket size. I don't know what you're gonna put in there, but maybe a backpack or something. I don't know if you can hear that rumble. It almost sounds like you're at an airport and that background noise of a jet. But that stays on, I guess. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, so MSRP on this one is 85,170. I'll just give you guys a second to take a look at that.
Drag go to custom.
Gotcha. Oh, look at that. And what did you do? Did you just rev that in it?
Huh?
Oh, okay. That's pretty loud. Can you control the volume to the exterior?
Yeah, so yeah, all the different drive modes are going to have different sound outputs, and if you want, I believe you can go inside the infotainment system and kind of get more specific and adjust it as well. But if you even go from like drag to sport, you can
Get even a little bit more quiet.
Yeah, and even down to auto.
Okay, okay.
So it's super quiet.
So this LED lighting follows all the way to the door, and then all the way up through the dash and around. And then this is all suede here. However, I'm still questioning quality. Look at this. What is going on here? Super loose. Gear shifts, kind of old school. Kind of like a gun, actually. Power button here. I mean, comfy, roomy. Big old panoramic sunroof. Jeez. Okay, so here's kind of my walk-away impressions. I'm still not inclined to be like, ooh, I need to jump on that. Bring the Hemi back, we have a different conversation. Fit and finish, you saw some parts in there. I'm just, for that price range, 85 grand, there should not be any issues with that. But I am slightly impressed with the noise it makes. If I closed my eyes, you might be able to fake me out for just 10 seconds or so, because the subwoofers on the inside actually create a vibration through your seat and in the car, and it's amazing. And the noise, it's probably on par decibel wise with a Scat Pack 392, and you rev it and it's like it kind of startled me when he did that. It's pretty sick. So why do all the theatrics and not just slap a Hemi in it? Why fake it? Like, if you want an EV, go get a freaking EV. And if you want an internal combustion, then you get all that ambient noise that goes with it. Stop trying to play the in-between game. All right, I'm just gonna wrap this video up because all I'm doing is walking past EV. Everything is electrified. I'm not gonna, film a bunch of EV vehicles. What a boring video. But I do think that the RT and the Scat Pack will give some people something to talk about. It's the first time I've seen it in person. I really want to hear some feedback. So I'm going to wrap this video up. The lot walk ended up being a Dodge Charger Scat Pack and an RT Stage 1 video. So until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon.